In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accordion to your Wix website using their studio editor. Whether you're looking to tidy up your web page with collapsible sections or simply want to present information in a sleek format, accordions are a fantastic tool. So let's dive in and add one to your site. First, you'll want to open the Wix Studio Editor for your site. This is your digital workshop where you can seamlessly modify and enhance your website. Once your editor is up and running, take a look over to the left side. Here, you'll see the Add Elements icon, conveniently marked by a plus sign. This icon serves as your gateway to a variety of design features that Wix offers to help you customize your site exactly to your liking. With the Add Elements panel opened, you're going to see a list of categories that can guide you to different parts of your website's design. From here, what you'll want to do is look for the Layout Tools option. This tool is pivotal for organizing the structural aspects of your site. By selecting Layout Tools, you're essentially preparing your space to insert new content. Next on the list is choosing your accordion. You'll now see the option for accordions nestled in among the layout tools. When you click on this, it unfolds a treasure trove of pre-designed accordion styles, each offering a unique look and feel. This pre-designed selection makes life easier because you don't have to start from scratch. Simply browse through and decide which design best suits your page's aesthetic. Once you've settled on an accordion style that catches your eye, it's time for the fun part: dragging and dropping it onto your page. The beauty of Wix's drag and drop feature is its simplicity and intuitiveness. By clicking on your chosen accordion and holding down your mouse button, you can effortlessly move it to the desired location on your page. Release your mouse button to drop it into place, and voila! Your accordion is ready to be customized. Remember, the accordion can be edited to fit your content needs. You might choose to use them for FAQ sections, feature breakdowns, or even testimonials. Whatever you decide, feel free to explore the customization options available once added to your site page. You can adjust text, colors, and expand collapse behavior to fit naturally within your site's overall design. And that's it. With just a few clicks and a bit of imagination, you've enhanced your website with an interactive and visually appealing element. Adding an accordion using Wix Studio is not only simple, but it also armors your site with professional functionality effortlessly. Keep these steps handy, and soon you'll master other elements to keep your site fresh and user-friendly. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy editing!